just fixed this window up here. We are ready to put our upper cabinets in, coming around here. So if I take a look at my drawing, I'm looking, here is my upper cabinet line in the floor plan view. I have a corner upper cabinet, and then I have just a bunch of upper cabinets that I have to kind of figure out what sizes to put in there. So we're going to go start with that. Like we did before, we start with the corner. These here can kind of have a long tail end. These here long tail ends, so I don't have to worry about those. This here kind of gets into a situation because we have the range here. So we're going to set that up with the range. And then we've got the refrigerator. So we're going to figure that end of it out. So I'm going to start out, go to my models, in my information here. And I'm going to go to my wall cabinet. Problem with wall, it's below doors. And wall corner, 30 by 24. Let's get this in the right place. I'm going to put it right in that corner right away. I'm on the right wall. Touch that corner. I'm happy there. Now we have to get some height set up. So I'm going to use my technique that I used on my doors. I'm going to come in here, right click, and hit Make Group for the top of my wall. So I went inside my walls. Now we're going to do a move. Tap the Control key and make a duplicate of this and set this right at the top of my kitchen cabinet. Now, as I said before, those walls are 18, or those cabinets are 18 inches above. So we're going to go 18 and hit Enter. And then they're 30-inch tall cabinets. So I'm going to bring that straight up, and I'm going to go 30 and hit Enter. Now that gives me two lines. I'll get back out of my walls, click outside. Gives me two lines to work with where these cabinets go. But the main one is the top. So I got that one taken care of. I have the range cabinet here. If I remember, this is a 24-inch wall or base cabinet. So I'm going to go wall 30 by 24. I'm going to place it on the wall, and then I'll move it so it touches in place. And if you notice, so that was a 24. This one didn't work. So let's take a peek to see what that measurement really is. So if I take a line, start drawing a line here, hold down Shift so it's on that line, and come down and I line that up. I look down at my length, it says 3 feet. So that's 36 inches. I'm going to put two cabinets in there, 24, and then I'm going to do a little filler cabinet in there. So we're going to do the 24, put that there, set it on the top line, move it this way, and touch it to that edge. Now, I can figure out what this little filler cabinet's going to be. That's a 1-footer. So I'm a 30 by 12. Plop that in place for right now. Corner to corner. Get the 30-inch range opening. So if I look down here and I wall range. Now you may be wondering why this is a little bit higher. But if I take a peek at our picture over here, I look, the range has some room over the top for a range hood. So that's why it's a shorter cabinet. Now this one I should be able to match up. Pencil tool, 2 foot, so 24. Wall, 30 by 24. Place it. Grab the corner, place the corner. Come down here, wall, refrigerator. REF stands for refrigerator. Place that one. And that brings us up to our last piece, which is this pantry cabinet over here. So I'm going to right click on this and hit Make Unique. So I made this cabinet unique from any other cabinets that are in there. And then we're going to use, instead of the Move tool, we're going to use the Scale tool. Now this isn't exactly what a pantry cabinet is going to look like, but what this is going to do is give us the piece there. So I am going to go to Scale. I'm going to click on the center scale in the center and bring it up and touch it to the top. So it gives me a door, stretches my doors out big time, and it stretches out this toe kick area underneath, but it provides a pretty good idea of what that's going to look like. And that is how we finish out the kitchen cabinets. I'm going to hit save.